Hey guys, this is Derek. If you want to know more about the van stuff only and like what am I doing with the van, skip to this time frame that I'm listing right now. If you know about me and my channel, I'll just give you an update. Right now I am in America, so I haven't posted in a while. I moved back, well, I'm here, I don't know how long I'll be here, but I moved back mainly to see family and because I want to try a different career and also van life. So look at this van. This is a extended cargo van. So usually this van would end here, but I bought an extended version, so it goes out here. So what do? I have to fix it. When I bought it from the guy, I didn't see when I looked up there's a bunch of rust on the bottom. There's big holes here, so how do I solve this problem? I have to, I'm not like a tools guy. I wanna be a man, but I use this screwdriver and this. Basically getting as much rust out as I can. I'm gonna use something here to put that on top too. And you know, I need some steel planks or whatever. Like, so this is pretty okay. This needs to be, I need to like do the process and then put the steel plates down. I don't know if that's enough. If you're looking here and putting it down and take it from there. I think that's as far as the rust goes. The other option actually is to cut this whole thing out and take it out, go to the junkyard, find another one and put it down. And I would have liked to do that, but I don't know how to weld and it makes it a little complicated. So I'm just doing what I know how to do right now. Okay, so this is how it's starting. By the way, this is not a high top van, but I'm going to convert it. This is about day 3. So I had to paint the floor with this thing called Pour 15. It's used for getting rid of rust and actually converting the rust, whatever that means, but stopping the rust. So here's what it looks like painted. I did the first coating. It already looks so much better, but as you can see, there's holes there. I ended up just buying this roofing steel. So I can put a brick on it and I can hammer the brick to make it flat. And I can use this roofing steel to cover the holes. I would use rivets to put them in, and then I would use a sealer, silicone sealer, so that it's able to move when the van moves. It's rigid, it's not rigid, it's flexible. Yes, okay, so that's the next step. Fixing it, patching it up. And then we're going to get on to the insulation and the floor. I got that. So the Pour 15 is dry. I did a double coating. I thought I read somewhere that I needed to go underneath and paint from underneath, but that was really hard. I tried some of it, but I couldn't get all of it. So now I am marking all the spots that I see holes. As you can see, there are many holes. And wow, I missed one here. This is basically showing me where I need to cover. Just marking the places that have holes because you don't want any moisture to come up, like especially if you live in a place like I do, which is Florida, tropical place. There's going to be a lot of rain. You don't want the rain to splash up underneath. You can tell I'm a beginner by the way I hold it. I just realized I had this thing set so the sparks fly directly at me. I think you pros out there are watching me like, oh, what is he doing? And this thing is amazing. It's a grinder for anybody who doesn't know what this is, and it's really cool. I'm going to use it to remove the roof here too. Look at all these holes. Cool. The small ones I can just fill with silicone. That one I probably need to put a piece of metal on, steel. Like those, just put silicone in them according to ChatGPT. Those of you who might be watching this because you have a similar situation as me with the floor messed up with holes in it, this is what I did. I cut out all the grooves, not rivets, the grooves. I cut them out and I did my best to fill it in, and there was a lot of gaps, and there was a lot of places like here where it was just warped. So guys, I'm about 6 days of work in, and I have the whole floor like made like this. Mine's a little weird because of the holes, so I wanted to have a lot of pieces so that it's more flexible, so it can hopefully level out easier without. I was trying to avoid the bumps because I used the steel granulated tin that they use for roofs that I tried to flatten out myself, but it makes noise. So here's what my floor looks like after like a week of work. I did not expect to take a week to do that. It's not perfect at all. There's a lot of holes here. This was really hard, I mean, to cut, but like apparently these holes can be kept there for like wiring and stuff. You just gotta like kind of conceal it. So now is getting a little fun because there's gonna be more color in what I'm doing. I'm gonna put down this vinyl. Guys, so I want to show you the finished product of the floor, but the thing is, like, it's been 2 months since I started that video and I just stopped and I worked on other videos and other things, but I want to do a conclusion, so I just want to show you, but I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to show you like the whole van yet. You can see it's not the same here, right? Anyway, I'm gonna quickly pan you to the floor. So I don't hear any like noise except right there. I can see, I can hear it. Other than that, it's fine. It's actually pretty smooth. Look at what I did with the tire. I used vinyl. It doesn't look that impressive. It's kind of hard with the tires. I did not want to build a little box. A lot of people do that. They build a box there, but I just didn't feel like it anyway. Vinyl transition thing, and then there's this like a canvas, no, it's some kind of material, cloth or whatever, that matched, and I did it on that side too. I also used a vinyl transition here. It's messy, sorry. Vinyl transition here. I promise it's nice usually. Okay, look at that. I love this thing here, and I wanted to use the same transition here, and I wanted to put it all around this area. I think it would look great. Problem is, I bought this transition at Home Depot and now it's not there. I've been getting wood dust in my lungs ever since I started. So I don't know, I probably might use some more of that transition from the tires and put it here, but I think this looks great. I still need to, yeah, I need to do that, and then I need to use a right angle here, and then probably, I don't know, actually it's curved, so I might have to do like 2 right angles for that. But anyway, there's the floor. Can't show you the rest of it right now, but this thus concludes the floor video. Let me know if you have questions. Again, I was just copying a bunch of YouTube videos and ChatGPT. And yeah, thank you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully I get the wood dust out of my throat. Wish me luck. Bye.